today we are going to make some nut bread, and I'm going to use for the nut bread some freshly picked basil. I'm going to use some of this granola, and you'll see how I am using, but I'm not saying nut in the term of because this is granola and it have nuts and stuff in it. No, you would see what I'm saying. So firstly, let's get this out of the way. I have sugar and I have yeast in here, and I'm going to add some water to this. Right, 1 cup of water, and I'm going to let that proof for the 10 minutes, and while that's proofing, here we have the flour, we have some more water, egg, and this mixture, the bread itself isn't going to have butter. You all know how I hardly use butter in my actual kneading of my flour. So the butter is going to go in the inside where I will be using the fresh basil that I picked and this. The egg is just for a wash, or egg wash before it goes into the oven. So I'll be back when our yeast is ready for us to start to put our bread together. Let's go. Just now, I have this concoction here. This concoction is pepper flakes. I think I'll give you another angle in the bottom here. Pepper flakes, as you're seeing on your screen right now, and I use oregano. Right, pepper flakes and oregano. Alright, so our yeast has proofed so lovely, and we have egg. So I did mention previously that the egg is only going to be used in an egg wash. I'll be having the egg wash, and we're going to put an egg into this dough as well. Okay, alright, so we added in the egg. This flour only has salt. Right, and we add in our proof yeast to the mixture. So I'm not going to use any more water. Now you could use milk instead of water to do this, okay? I choose not to. So we just come a little closer here. So we're going to add slowly and bring it together until we have a lovely little ball and soft.
So after kneading your very soft dough, you want to let that rest for 1 hour. 1 hour later, you want to cut them up in 100 grams pieces, and once that is done, you're going to start adding your butter, your pepper flakes, and your basil. Then I'm going to slit some grooves.
So to roll it, we're not going to roll it this way, we're going to roll it at an angle, okay? So we're going to roll it at an angle. You see the angle I'm coming at? So that is how you want to roll it, okay? You want to go at an angle. And then, once it is rolled at the angle, you will take one end, bring it in like this. Alright, let me come closer. You come in at your angle, come like this, and then you want to go around like this. And then you want to take the end of this bread and shove it in underneath here. And that is 1 down.
1 down, 3 more to go. This is my first time attempting to make this type of nut bread with the little grooves in the center and the basil in it. So now I am going to do the one with the granola. I am going to use the same thing, the butter, the basil, and then roll it the same way. I just didn't add the little grooves in it. Then I'm going to egg wash all of them, not going to let them rest. I'm going to place them into a preheated oven and let them bake for 20 minutes. And that's how easy I make this basil and granola nut bread. All of the ingredients would be in the description. Thanks so much for watching. Oh, and one more I did, but one of the lawyers, what I did was I add all of the seasoning, the pepper and the oregano. I mixed up in the dough, and I just that is that one you just previously saw there, and I just mixed up with the flour and baked it, and that one tastes really good too. Alright guys, don't forget to check out all of my other recipes. Thanks so much for always supporting. Do have a blessed one. Stay safe.